Tissue engineering is rapidly evolving technology that seeks to repair, replace, or regenerate tissues or organs by translating fundamental knowledge in physics. It's a technology that's worth billions and can change many lives. A U.S. company has fitted a patient with a 3D printed ear implant made from living cells in what is described as a medical breakthrough. 3D Therapeutics, a medical company specializing in the manufacture of 3D bioprinted tissue, developed the makeshift ear by printing it in the exact shape of the patient's left ear after a surgeon took half of a gram of cartilage from the woman's microtia ear remnant. The company took the sample of cartilage cells and grew them in a New York lab. The living cells were then mixed with the company's collagen-based bioink. The collagen was inserted into a special 3D bioprinter, which squirted out the material layer by layer to create an oblong shape that was a mirror replica of the patient's left ear. Doctors surgically implanted the 3D printed ear under the patient's skin, and after the skin tightened around it, the shape of an ear appeared. The new ear, transplanted in March, will continue to regenerate cartilage to give the look and feel of a natural ear. This is a truly historic moment for patients with microtia, and more broadly, for the regenerative medicine field, as 3D Biotherapeutics is beginning to demonstrate the real-world application of next-generation tissue engineering technology. It is the first time that a company has printed a whole living engineered construct and implanted it into a patient to replace a body part that the patient was either born without or is lost due to trauma or disease. The scientific breakthrough comes after 7 years of development. Although this clinical trial poses risks such as health complications, doctors say the new ear is unlikely to be rejected by a patient's body because the cell tissue is their own. Other companies have experimented with 3D printing prosthetic limbs made of plastic and other lightweight materials for patients, but this ear transplant is the first known surgery to transplant 3D printed tissue made from human cells. The company hopes to build on its success by expanding its capabilities to print other replacement body parts, like noses and spinal discs, eventually creating organs such as livers or kidneys. For now, a clinical trial is underway in 10 other patients with microtia, a rare congenital ear deformity where one or both outer ears are absent or underdeveloped. The new technology requires less invasive surgery than is currently needed for reconstruction, as surgeons normally harvest cartilage from the patient's ribs and then carve that cartilage to give it the shape of an ear. Dr. Arturo Bonilla, a pediatric ear reconstructive surgeon specializing in microtia who performed the woman's implant surgery, called 3D Bio's technology exciting. He says he's been waiting for this his entire career and is deeply inspired by what could potentially come of this. Many babies are born each year with either microtia or anotia, rare conditions that cause one's external ear to be missing. This new technology is a massive solution to that problem. Tissue engineering has tremendous scope. The impact of tissue engineering on society will be exemplary. It holds the promise of sustainable improvement in the quality of human life, with a reduction in the societal and economic cost associated with healthcare and life expectancy. It has potential to reduce the severity of therapy and result in an improved clinical outcome for the patient. It will have applications in dermatology, dentistry, general surgery, plastic surgery, pediatric surgery, and many other medical fields. 3D bioprinting has emerged as a promising new approach for fabricating complex biological constructs in the field of tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. It aims to alleviate the hurdles of conventional tissue engineering methods by precise and controlled layer-by-layer assembly of biomaterials in a desired 3D pattern. It is important to note that the applications of 3D bioprinting are not limited to limbs and bioprinting. It also holds great promise in less explored avenues, such as using scaffolds for drug delivery, studying disease mechanisms, or creating personalized medicines. But even though 3D bioprinting is advancing at a commendable rate, with researchers trying to develop new printing modalities as well as improve existing ones, there still remains a multitude of problems that need to be overcome. Overall, 3D bioprinting is a rapidly evolving field of research with immense challenges, but tremendous potential to revolutionize modern medicine and healthcare. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. World of Finance TV has videos every Monday and Friday.